Hello guys, this is an honest review of the Cuisinart Classic Waffle Maker. And we had this waffle maker for a while now and it makes amazing waffles. It comes with 5 thermostat setting adjustment where you can choose on how brown you want your waffles to be and also a dual indicator light. So we're gonna make waffles today and let's get ready to plug this in. And the light turns on, which means that's getting ready. I like the dual light indicator because it tells me when the cook plate is ready to bake, and it also tells me when the waffle is already cooked. Now that the light turns red, that means that the cook plate is heating up. So it's time to adjust the thermostat level on where and how much brown you want your waffles to be. We usually use the level 3, which is it's not too dark, it's just right, and it's between soft and crispy. But if you want your waffle to be more crispy, just adjust it to a higher level. And we're just waiting for the cook plate to actually tell us that the cook plate is hot enough for us to start putting our batter. The cook plate actually is non-stick and it creates a 7-inch size waffle, and the mold is actually ready to divide the waffle into quarters, and that's the way I like it. I don't have to guess on how to cut my waffles. So the green light is on, we're ready to put in the batter. I don't think I made enough batter, but thing is that you have to test it out and how much batter you really need, and you don't want to put too much batter because the batter will just overflow and it will be a lot of mess. Now the cover is a bit heavier, which helps the waffle to cook well, and the top, the external part of the waffle maker is made of brushed stainless steel. Underneath are rubber feet that keeps it from sliding and keep it steady while cooking. The round cook plate is non-stick, so it's easy to clean. You just need a cloth to wipe it, and if there are batter that are hard to remove, just use a damp cloth. Leave it to dry before storing it. We got the green light, which means the waffle is ready. There you go, perfect waffle. And to let you know guys, this waffle maker is also BPA free, and it comes with 3-year limited warranty, a user manual, and a few recipes. So if you want the quickest way to make perfect waffles in the morning, this is the Cuisinart Classic Waffle Maker. There you go guys, perfect waffles. Thanks for watching.